So what I'm explaining you here, the BGP synchronization. Okay. So what BGP synchronization says here? What is this BGP synchronization?
We cannot hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me now? Hello?
Yeah, now
I can hear him.
Okay, okay. Yes. So what is BGP synchronization? What is BGP synchronization rule says here?
What does it say?
When any router will receive any route from IBGP or from IGP, then only share the route to next neighbor. This is the route. It means when I receive any route from IBGP and from IGP protocol. This is the condition we can say. We are making a condition here. If you receive any route to IBGP or from IGP, then only share the route to the next neighbor, another not. Okay.
Okay, any route from IBGP, you say, right? IBGP?
Yes, IBGP and
IGP.
IGP both. Yes. It
So
means
what's the difference?
let's say what's happening.
What's the difference between IBGP and IGP?
Okay. IGP is what? IGP is what? RIP.
Internal gate protocol.
And OSPF. These are the IGP protocols. And IBGP is what? This is the part of the BGP, right?
Exactly. Okay. Yeah. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
All right.
So according to this topology, like in this topology, what's happening right now? If I'll talk about in this topology, so first of all, I'll show you ISP number 1. So this is ISP 1. In this ISP 1, do show IPBGP. Do show IPBGP. BGP is not there. Do show on pipe section router BGP. And we don't have any loopback. Yes, we have a loopback. So first of all, I'll make a neighborship with 30.30.30.30. Update source loopback 1. On ISP 3. Neighbor is down. BGP summary. Yes, the neighborship is up. ISP1. BGP summary. Okay, here the neighborship is down. Router BGP. Thirty 100. Next up self. To clear IP BGP. Off. And on ISP3. Router BGP. I'm using this command. Yes, do clear. IPBGP start soft. To show IPBGP summary. And the neighborship is idle and idle. To clear IPBGP start. I'm doing hard reset. Let's go on R2. We need to check first of all the IP address. So there is no any IP address on R2. So first we need to configure the IP.
One of the two, right?
Yes. I'm saying my neighbor is 40.1. Now the neighborship is up. But in between ISP1 and ISP3, the neighborship is down. See?
Idle. Oh, idle.
Yes. Here it will be showing what? In between ISP1 and ISP3. So what we need to do, why it is down? Because everything is good.
Last time, the last command that we did was the EIGRP, right? To configure everything.
I'll configure each and everything here.
The
But still,
EIGRP configure?
yes. Router. EIGRP 10.
understand.
Yes, the neighborship is up now.
Okay.
Perfect. Everything is going good now. Everything is perfect. Let's go on R1. And just to check this R1 will receive any BGP prefix or not. So it will receive 1.1.1.1, but they don't receive 2.2.2.2. So here we need to say what? Allows in exactly same on R2. Say neighbor 40.1 allows in done. Now if I'll show you on R1, shall be BGP. Yes, I'm receiving both the route here, and on R2 as well, I'm receiving both the route. But the problem is what? If I want to communicate 1.1. Sorry, if I want to communicate 2.2.2.2 from 1.1.1.1. So right now I'm not able to communicate because I told you all the packet address drop here. So the first solution is what? Redistribution. Okay. Now I also told you one more concept, that is what? Synchronization. What the synchronization says here?
Synchronization, you say?
Yes, synchronization. Yeah. BGP synchronization rule. What does this rule says? When any router will receive any route from IBGP and IGP, then only I'm sharing this route to my next neighbor. It means what? Okay. Okay. Let's go on ISP1. Can you see here on ISP1? See, do show IP route. So this 2.2.2.2 route, it will be receiving from which routing protocol? It will be receiving this 2.2.2.2.2 from BGP, right? It means right now this our ISP2 will receive 2.2.2.2 route from where? From the BGP, right? So what I'm saying to this our ISP1 router, if I enable the synchronization, then what happened? This ISP1 don't share 2.2.2 route to R1 because I'm setting the condition when you receive this 2.2.2.2 route from BGP protocol as well as from EIGRP, then only you can share this prefix to R1, right? So right now ISP1, right now, if I'll show you in the BGP table, do show IP BGP, and if I'll show the routing table, so in this time, this 1.1.1.1 route, sorry, this 2.2.2.2 route, I'm getting from the BGP only, and I'm getting from where? I'm getting from 30.30.30. It means I'm getting this route from ISP3. Now what I can do, I'm enable the synchronization here. I'll say router BGP, sorry, say 100, and then say what? Synchronization. And then say enable. Okay. And now if I enable the synchronization, wait for a second. Can you see here, like R1 router? Wait for a second. Let's go on again. Do clear IP BGP. Star. I'm doing a hard reset here. I'm enable the synchronization on these 3 routers.
You didn't change anything on the
ISP
configuration,
threshold.
right? You didn't change anything in the
What?
configuration. You left it. You left the configuration as it was, right? You didn't change anything yet. You're just putting the command synchronization. That's it, right?
Yes, just I'm configure the synchronization command. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the command is simply synchronization?
Yeah, synchronizing the BGP session seems like it.
No. Yes, perfect. Okay. What happening? Can you see here? Previously, in the previous time, what happening? R1 router will receive. Right now, R1 router is not receiving 2.2.2.2 route. Right or wrong?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Yeah, that's the issue.
Everything is good. Why this R1 router is not receiving 2.2.2.2 route? Because right now, ISP1 is not sharing 2.2.2 route to this R1 router. Why it is not sharing? Because I'm enable what? Synchronization on these both routers. So what synchronization says? If I receive here, actually after enabling the synchronization, R1 router will set the condition. Condition is what? When this ISP1 will receive this 2.2.2.2.2 from BGP or same route, it will be received from any IGP protocol. Then this ISP router will share this route to next router. Okay. So right now what happening? If I'll show you this ISP1 router.
1 second. Give me 2 minutes. 1 second. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back.
Okay. So now what happening? If I'll show you, can you see here? This ISP1. This ISP1 show me this route is not a best. When it will be show me this route, why it will be not showing me the best? Because I'm putting the condition here, synchronization condition. When I receive this route from, okay, right now, do show IP BGP. If I'll show you this route, I'm getting from the BGP. Okay. But this route I'm not receiving from the IGP protocol.